Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to Release Your Best. This is Adlan, your trainer in emotional and social intelligence. Social intelligence. What is social intelligence? What is your ability to read your peers, but also manage your interactions? But specifically, read what? Well, read body language. Focusing on body language. Experts call it non-verbal. And just to make it simple, verbal is simply what we communicate with words, whereas non-verbal is what we all communicate with our body, face, gestures, movements, posture, microfacial expressions, also our voice and sounds. I'd like you, for example, to notice the difference between I am sad and I am sad. And this is why nonverbal represents about 90% of what we communicate. Now, shifting back to influence. Influence is the capacity via nonverbal and words, meaning verbal, to attract attention, build rapport easily, but also have an effect on someone's character, behavior, and also development in social interactions. Because again, social intelligence, well, unlike everything else, it starts with your mind. And once you learn how to interpret accurately verbal and nonverbal, you will then have solid foundation to improve your ability to build rapport and establish trust, impact and interact with others, lead and influence, raise your social awareness, but also teamwork and set your relationship. Now, if you have more questions about this specific course on social intelligence, all you can do is to scroll down and check the FAQ section. And if you want to know more specifics about the training, or have your own unique question, well, you can always schedule your one-to-one conversation via the booking system where it says schedule a call. Thank you so much for listening, and in the meantime, release your best.